What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 vacuum cleaners in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Let's say this directly. If you want to spend the lowest possible amount of money that will still get you a good product, we say check out the Bissell Featherweight, the best budget vacuum cleaner that you can find on the market in 2021. Considering the price, we are looking at a fairly powerful cyclone vacuum cleaner without a bag, and with washable filters perfect for cleaning dirt from the hard surfaces around the house. This fella can also easily become a very practical handheld vacuum cleaner for stairs, upholstery, curtains, or a car. The Bissell Featherweight Budget Vacuum Cleaner saves you time as well as effort during daily cleaning. And one of the things we like the most, apart from the price, is the 3-in-1 versatile cleaning function. This product comes with an onboard cable and is best suited for cleaning both hard surfaces and soft carpets. Also, it is specially designed to be as light as possible. It does not have bags, which makes the model even more practical for quick use. The Featherweight boasts 3 different functions, including a vacuum cleaner with handles, a vacuum cleaner for stairs, and a vacuum cleaner with a stick. Bissell Featherweight comes with a container with a capacity of 0.67 liters, which in most cases is quite enough to maintain the cleanliness of both hard and soft surfaces. Also, this vacuum cleaner is pet-friendly, and thanks to its very compact design without bags, users will also enjoy the ease of use and easy maintenance. The Bissell Featherweight Best Budget Vacuum Cleaner comes in black and has the size of 8.3 by 9.5 by 44.1 inches, while the weight is 3.89 pounds. In addition to the very low and affordable price, users also like the possibility of easy collection of pet fur and litter. As for the disadvantages, some users have pointed out a slightly shorter cable than expected, measuring at 15 feet, as well as a slightly smaller garbage collection chamber. But when the price is considered, this is truly a top-notch deal. Thumbs up! If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, the following product is the perfect option for you. Check out the Eureka Rapid Clean Pro Lightweight Cordless, the best value vacuum cleaner you can find on the market in 2021. The Eureka Rapid Clean Pro Lightweight Cordless comes with new, innovative motor technology to achieve a more efficient and practical foundation while cleaning. This vacuum cleaner offers a fairly long duration of operation, delivering up to 40 minutes of continuous vacuuming without any fading in terms of power and consistency. If you want to increase the suction, all you need to do is switch to max power with just one touch of your fingertip. This way you will increase the device's strength and provide even better cleaning capabilities, especially useful for various rugs and carpets. The Rapid Clean Pro Lightweight also boasts the Easy Rest feature, which is designed to give you a rest when cleaning, if you need it. Thanks to the new design with the cleaning bucket moved forward, you can easily reach your vacuum cleaner whether it's under a bed or any other piece of furniture. Eureka Rapid Clean Pro Lightweight comes with LED headlights, allowing you to operate in the dark or simply get a clearer view of the surfaces ahead. For easier and more convenient car cleaning, also useful for floors around your house, the device comes with a specially designed dusting brush, 2-in-1, as well as a set of crack tools. Converting this fella to a handheld wireless vacuum cleaner is very easy and fast. The power it offers measures 25.2 volts. The Eureka Rapid Clean Pro Lightweight Cordless comes in the size of 9.8 by 6.3 by 43.3 inches, while the weight is 5.26 pounds. For the listed price, you can't beat this guy. If you're looking for a top-quality vacuum cleaner and you don't hesitate to invest a bit more in order to get great performance, the next product on today's list is the perfect deal for you. Meet the Dyson V11, which gets the title of the best premium vacuum cleaner available on the market in 2021. This is Dyson's most powerful cordless vacuum cleaner brush ever. Solid nylon threads penetrate deep into the carpet and remove stubborn dirt, while these soft, anti-static carbon fibers collect dust from hard floors and cracks. Through joint action, they give excellent results on different types of floors. Also, the device offers an easy discharge and a larger battery. Specifically, the battery this model has utilizes high-capacity nickel-cobalt aluminum cathodes. They provide 20% more suction power than Dyson Cyclone V10 vacuum cleaners. The dust tank is 40% larger and provides more space as well as fewer vacuum stops, Discharge is very simple and hygienic thanks to the aim and push system. The Dyson V11 stick vacuum cleaner has 3 cleaning modes designed for different tasks. Each of them allows the selection of the appropriate suction power in different conditions. Auto mode represents the optimal balance between power and duration, with smart adjustment to different types of floors. Boost mode allows twice the suction power in the brush, while the Eco mode offers up to 60 minutes of operation, providing longer cleaning on all desired floor types. Thanks to the LED screen, users will be able to see and monitor the performance with selected volume, remaining time, filter maintenance and reminders, and clog notifications. The device displays battery life in each mode for easier control and planning. It also reminds you when it's time to clean the filter. Also, a big advantage of the Dyson V11 Rod vacuum cleaner is the ability to intelligently detect resistance and adjust the motor speed accordingly. The sensors will detect the difference between carpets and different types of hard floors, and based on that, ensure their efficient cleaning. The product comes in blue color and the size of 50.63 by 9.84 by 10.28 inches, as well as a weight of 6.68 pounds. If you have pets and you're looking for an efficient, high-quality vacuum cleaner that will easily collect all pet hair and fur, we have specially selected Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus for you, the best pet hair vacuum cleaner that can be found in the market in 2021. This device is very efficient, practical, and light. At the same time, it boasts a powerful truck to achieve the most efficient daily cleaning mode. Apart from cleaning hair in any room, you can use this model with equal success to remove various dust types in all inaccessible areas and corners around the house. Also, thanks to the easy emptying of the tank with just one touch, as well as functions such as a roll brush without bends, users will not have to worry about cleaning the vacuum cleaner after cleaning the home. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus also boasts a Smart Seal special allergen system that actively removes odors and traps allergens and dirt. This vacuum cleaner has a power of 7 amps, while the capacity of the dirt container is improved at 0.75 liters. Furthermore, there is a set of LEDs that make cleaning even easier by illuminating the path in front of you. Also included in the mix are 2-in-1 dust brushes. Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus can be used for hard surfaces just as efficiently as for rugs and carpets, powerfully vacuuming all hair and dirt from edge to edge. This best pet hair vacuum cleaner comes in green and black. It has the size of 13 by 15.75 by 44.5 inches, as well as a weight of 18.88 pounds. As for the shortcomings and flaws, apart from the default slightly higher price, many users have not been able to find any objective shortcomings of this product worth mentioning, and neither have we. This completes all the essential features of this product, so now we can move on to the next one. In short, if you can afford this beast, we say go for it. We have arrived at the top, and now it is time to present the gold medalist for today. We have unanimously decided to award the title of the best vacuum cleaner on the market in 2021 to the Shark NV356E S2 Navigator Liftaway. The adjustable vacuum cleaner is one of the best upright cleaners you can buy right now. The Shark Navigator Liftaway Toolbox uses a portable container that you can easily remove, is as practical as it gets, and has the ability to clean mats, furniture, stairs, tiles, and much more in a very simple and efficient manner. The Shark NV356E S2 Navigator Liftaway boasts outstanding efficiency, powerful cleaning, and functionality. Without a doubt, the undeniable upright suction vacuum gives you one of the most thorough cleaning experiences you can ever get in a vacuum. The device boasts a power of as much as 120 volts. Some of the features that we really liked about this upright bagless vacuum cleaner are the ability to clean pet hair and diapers, the non-leaking vacuum cleaner, and above all, the lightweight design. It also comes with a HEPA filter and anti-allergy sealant, which are some of the other factors that make this vacuum cleaner one of the best-selling. Fully enclosed technology traps dust and dirt, while the HEPA filter in a vacuum captures as much as an incredible 99.9% of allergens. Also, the Shark NV356E S2 Navigator Liftaway boasts a very simple setup and use, while the suction power of this unit is maintained throughout the cleaning period equally. This vacuum cleaner comes with a 2.2-liter dust collection bottle capacity. The Shark NV356E S2 Navigator Liftaway is specially designed with innovative swivel steering functions, which make it even easier for users to control and maneuver even around those inaccessible pieces of furniture and corners of the home. The product comes in white silver color and the size of 14.96 by 11.4 by 45.5 inches. Finally, the weight is only 13.7 pounds, making it extra easy to handle and carry. We are looking at premium features, top-level performance, high durability, all wrapped up in the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.